Hi, and welcome to this tutorial by GetMedCard on how to apply with Utah's electronic verification system to obtain your medical cannabis card. The process is a quick one, but there are several things you need to do along the way. Before beginning, please note that you'll need to have some specific pieces of information on hand, including your date of birth, your social security number, and a government-issued ID. Have an out-of-state ID? No problem. Utah will accept nearly any government-issued ID as long as it's not expired. All right, let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to evs.utah.gov. Next, click the Login button located at the top right of the page. From here, you'll be redirected to the Utah ID homepage. If you already have a Utah ID username and password, you can enter it here now and be immediately taken to EVS. But if you don't have one, click on the Create an Account link and follow the process to create a new Utah ID account. Please note that after creating your Utah ID account, you will still need to log into your newly created account to access EVS. After logging in, you should then be redirected to this page. If you are not redirected here, don't worry. Simply type into your browser search bar evs.utah.gov. Next, confirm the details in the expandable tabs, check the box next to Consent, and then click the Allow button. On the following page, check the Patient button, and then fill out the rest of the form. Be sure to enter your name only as it appears on your government-issued ID. Do not use any nicknames or aliases. Once the form is filled, click Submit. At this point, you'll be taken to your EVS account page, where you'll see the following. You may have to scroll down to see it. Go ahead and click on the Add Application button. On the following page, you'll see two drop-down menus. Select Utah Resident for the first one, and then select I am applying for myself for the other. Then click Next. The next page is the application form, where you will need to enter some basic contact information. This is where you'll need your government-issued ID handy. For this, Utah accepts the following: a U.S. driver's license, a U.S. state ID, a U.S. military ID, a U.S. passport, a U.S. passport card, an international passport, or a permanent resident card. Once the form is complete, click Next. The next page is for individuals that require a caregiver to purchase their product, or a healthcare facility, such as a nursing care facility, that their product will need to be delivered to. If this pertains to you, you may enter the appropriate information here. Otherwise, click Next to proceed. Finally, you'll need to carefully read the text on the last page. Then click the Acknowledge box. Additionally, you may opt out of any medical research done by the Utah State. Once you are ready, click Submit for certification. Congratulations! Your application has been submitted. You are now ready to be seen and certified by a Utah qualified medical provider. Thanks again for watching this tutorial by GetMedCard. We'll see you in the next one.